Hey guys, good morning. I know that many of you are starting to talk about how to divide the work for the project. So I just wanted to mention that for this project, there are three components. There's a paper, a presentation, and a handout. So the paper is really the basis of the presentation and handout. So the first thing to do is make sure that your paper is done. The presentation is basically you can imagine that you are consultants and you have completed this case in your work, and now you're presenting your case to your senior leadership. And then your handout is what you would hand to the participants in the meeting so that they can follow along with your presentation and have key takeaways. And we'll talk more about the details later, but I wanted to kind of give you that perspective. So it's important to note that you can't work on the presentation and the handouts until your case study is done, because you don't know what to include in the presentation. You don't know what to present unless your work is done, right? So please keep that in mind. Sometimes groups decide to split the work by content items. So sometimes people decide to have somebody work on the paper, somebody else work on the presentation, someone else work on the handouts. I advise against that. It is a good idea for everybody to participate in each part. You might have one person that takes the lead on a certain part of the project, but especially with the paper, it's really important for everyone to participate. Groups who divide it that way have much more success. So it's up to you, but that's my advice. And if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great weekend, guys.